Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing the Jeffree Star Ranch palette. If you haven't seen that video of the unboxing, I will leave it up there. So I'll show you what it looks like. And it has a mirror. So we're gonna do some swatches, but first let's prep the skin. And I'm gonna use Garnier Green Labs. I do love this. This is the brightening serum cream. It has vitamin C with pineapple. So I use 2 pumps. And it doesn't leave a white film. So just try not to get it in your eyes. But I put it on my eyelids too because that will burn. And it definitely adds the brightening. No white film. And there you go. So while that dries, and I think this was like 20 bucks at CVS, and I had a coupon, so you know. I think I had an $8 coupon, so that wasn't bad. It's 72 mLs if you're interested. So here is a look-see at the palette. Let's go over, oh my gosh, this is my first time going in, and we got the cowboy-ish colors, so let's go. Smooth. Wow, smooth, very smooth. Okay, so these are the first 5. That's Yak Farm. And this is Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain. Ooh, that's pretty. And Wyoming. It's a nice deep brown. So these are supposedly inspired by Wyoming Farm. And Wyoming is supposed to be very beautiful. So those are the first 5. Let's get into the next. These are very smooth. I mean, very, very buttery. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's Star Creek. Nice baby blue. Old Jeff. And then look at that. Grand Prismatic and Winter Wind. Oh, yeah. Very deep, very pigmented, not chalky. So first impressions on the swatches, which I love swatches, is very, very pretty. And there they go again. The names are very bold too. So, I mean, I still have some on there. Let me get these swatches off before I make a mess, and I'll be right back. All right, here's a look at the palette again. So let's set our eye base with Tarte. This is Tarte Shape Tape, and I have color Light Sand. I usually go for light sand on pretty much every concealer. This is a great little sample size. And I have my Real Techniques brush. I want to have a nice base because these colors are pigmented. For the brows, we're gonna do the Milk Kush Brow Gel. I have color Grind. That's what it looks like. So I've never tried Jeffree Star formula. So this will be interesting. I'm gonna create one eye look. And if I I might create another eye look another time. So you let me know in the comments if you want to see another look. I think we're going to go in with Yak Farm, which is this very brown. It's a light brown. And I'm just dipping into it. So let's just pat, pat, pat. And it does have a mirror, which is handy. So that's pretty nice as a nice base. We're just going to go in. Same thing. Now this is a very neutral palette, like this top row and this middle color, and then these pops of colors are just great. So let's see. It'd be nice to do like a nice neutral. So we're gonna go in with the blue right here, Winter Wind, same brush, and I'm just gonna dab it in here. Wow. I'm gonna get another brush and I'm gonna go in with this Grand Prismatic, this baby blue, and we are just going to lighten it up. Stamp, stamp, stamp. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this old Jeff, just to, ooh, wow, that is really pretty. Oh my gosh. Really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see. I have Casper Mountain, oh my gosh, and Star Creek. Super buttery. Then I have Owl Eyes. Wow. I'm gonna go in with Star Creek just to change it up. That is a nice green. I hope you guys are seeing this okay. And I don't like greens, but I like this one. It's a very pretty mint. That's how it's coming off. All right, so we're gonna have to take another color. Let's go with Casper Mountain. We're gonna go down here. Ooh. I used as many colors as I possibly could. And let's put on some mascara. What do you guys think? I do love the colors, and that is one of the reasons that I said I would get this palette, because I would use it. Now, if you want to see the neutral look, let me know down in the comments, or if you want to see a different combination of colors, also let me know down in the comments. We're going to use the KKW Mauve 3 lip liner that I just recently got in a haul. So if you want to see that, go check that out. And it looks like this. First time using this. And now I must say that their formula is very creamy. Like, you could just do a regular gloss and be done, but I'm gonna go in with Candy Drip and Succulent. I did get Succulent in my Jeffree Star haul. Again, let me show you this. This is very, smells good. Ooh, I didn't expect that. It has like a purple shift to it. It really smells good. So I mixed that. Now let's see what Candy Drip looks like. I won this in Makeup Mom and Son. Her name's Michelle. And this is another very pretty pink. I mean, they're almost very similar. Just one's a lighter pink. So I figured I'd try both. Same candy smell. This one is more pink. Pink. But it works well. It's giving me purple vibes. Ooh, and I love purple. All right, let me know what you think so far. Let's just top it off with some bronzer. This is Wet n Wild Sunset Striptease. And you know, I love me some Wet n Wild. And that Garnier Green Labs even says that it's a great makeup base, so. And then, of course, we're going in with Wet n Wild. This is Highlight Bling. Let's do the blush. And it's very subtle. And we're going to use the same brush for the highlighter. And this is my favorite. Just using the edge of my brush too. Look at that. Just edge of the brush. edge and go up here. This is $4. I mean, this is so super pretty. What do you guys think? Did I make it work? Try to not go too deep. I like the colors. So let me know again in the comments, guys. And if you haven't watched the Jeffree Star video, again, I've left it somewhere here in the tabs. So go ahead and check that out. And as always, guys, stay safe. Stop.